So for the information of the registering aspirants, let me tell you guys that it's a mega seminar of around 150 aspirants from all over the country. So we have around 78 participants as of now. So we'll be just waiting for another 5 to 7 minutes and then we'll be starting. Should be fine, Alok? Another 5 minutes?
Yeah, it's fine. And if anybody has any question, meanwhile, they can keep asking the question. They put it in the chat box.
Okay, so let me just introduce myself briefly to them who have already logged in. I will be giving the introduction again in 5 minutes. Myself, Anuj, I am the director and founder of IQ Civil's IAS Academy, based in Guwahati, and it's a national level institute bringing all the expertise of India, to northeast states, and Mr. Alok Kumar is one of our eminent IAS coach and speakers who has actively participated in spreading the knowledge of IAS and the criticality and the importance of becoming an administrative officer throughout the country. Now, he's not only the IAS coach, he's also an eminent corporate trainer all over the country. He has given many good trainings to and very intensive trainings to one of the highest corporates in the country, including scientists and CEOs and directors. So basically, he's a management person who has been involved in very exclusive trainings all over the country. So let me welcome you, Alok, and we are very thankful that you are here. So you can speak now.
Thank you, Anuj. And good afternoon, everybody. Is it all right when I speak both in English and Hindi?
It is a request that all the yes. Good afternoon, Alok.
Good afternoon. All right.
Yeah, we'll be starting again. So Alok, it is a request to all the participating aspirants to ask some questions because we are still waiting for friends to join. So if you guys have any questions to me and Alok, you can ask.
What is your expectation and what are the questions you want to ask? Whatever. क्या सीख के आप जाना चाहते हो आज? Please ask.
Okay, so Ankit has asked about economic growth after lockdown. So Alok, would you like to answer or shall I?
I have not heard the question properly.
So he has typed in economic growth after lockdown.
All right. Well, the Prime Minister has announced the package yesterday only, so you can elaborate on this.
And yeah, so basically, see what is happening now is the country is realizing that they have to shield themselves from the primarily the exports and imports and the global movement. And the good part has been that India since 1970s has been a self-sustaining economy. And even if you remember the 2008 recession, what we can see is the Indian economy did not get impacted much. And yesterday, when the Prime Minister announced a 20 lakh crore package for dealing with the COVID-19 situation, what he meant was that they want to promote local industries and local manufacturing more rather than anything else, rather than depending on other countries on import and also our dependency on countries whom we export. So if that dependency could be reduced, it's a good opportunity for the country to boost local manufacturing so that for the time being, for at least another couple of years, our dependency on the global countries is reduced. So that will certainly allow us to shield ourselves from this pandemic. And again, in this pandemic, there is a hidden opportunity that we can boost our economic growth. Now, one thing is clear that economic growth will be very slow because industries and manufacturing they take time. Once they are set up, definitely they take time to increase production. They take about a year to come to their optimum production levels. So obviously, economic growth will be very slow, and certainly because the demand of the goods for now is high because the lockdown was there. But this demand of goods, which is high for now, will not be very high after 2 3 months, because certainly what will happen is after 2 3 months, the effect of the lockdown will be realized. In terms of lower salary levels, lesser income with the people, lesser savings with the people. So certainly, it is a combination of deflation and inflation. So we'll come back to this question when we are doing the demo class of economy after a couple of days. Is it fine, Ankit?
Yeah.
So I think
Yes, sir.
I think it's yeah. So definitely we are going to organize a demo class on economy, and our economy expert will delve deeply into this topic, that what will be the likely economic scenario after the lockdown. And see, we never know what kind of lockdown we are dealing with in the future, because right now we are into lockdown 4.0, which will be starting from May 18. There could be multiple lockdowns in the future. The only thing which will differentiate them is the kind of restrictions the government will put. But as far as my expertise is concerned, we will be experiencing lockdown for at least 1 year from now.
There are some interesting questions. Jyotana Patnaik, how to remain motivated. We will answer this during the
Okay.
course of the session.
So let us do one thing, Alok. So let me formally introduce ourselves, and let us formally start. Good afternoon to all of you, and we are very delighted that we could get all of your presence in this mega seminar, which is organized amidst the lockdown during COVID-19 times. And I just want to tell you, that even if we are separated from each other, but still we are together in this pandemic time. You know? And so it's kind of a feeling wherein the two lovers are separated, but they still feel connected. So that is what we get the feeling right now. And I really appreciate that people, despite their difficult times during this lockdown, have managed to join in into our seminar. So this seminar is basically titled Mega Seminar on Strategizing for Civil Services Examination during COVID-19 situation in India. And with me is Mr. Alok Kumar, a very eminent IAS coach and corporate trainer. He has been phenomenal in dealing with multiple corporate trainings all over India. And not only he deals with the seminars pertaining to civil services, but is also involved in intensive corporate trainings, where he has given trainings to scientists, to CEOs, and many other eminent corporate personalities. I welcome you, Alok, on this platform, and heartfelt thanks from IQ Civil's IS Academy for being here.
Thank you, Anuj. And good afternoon to everybody. Am I loud and audible? Am I loud and clear?
Please type in the chat box, guys, if you can hear Alok.
Yeah, very nice. All right. So I am quite audible. So I
So
have,
Alok, you have clicked the presenting tab, right?
yeah, yeah. So what do I
Please
have to
type in the
do?
chat box if you can hear Alok, sir. Please type yes in the chat box if you can hear Alok, sir. All of you. I request all of you, because if some of you cannot hear, there would be a waste of exercise. Please type in. We'll wait for another 2 minutes before Alok sir begins. Please type all of you yes if you can hear Alok.
Yes, they are able to hear me.
All right. Okay, Alok, we can begin now. All yours.
Okay. Mm, right now you are presenting, so the screen will remain with you. Did you hear my question?
Yes,
The
yes,
screen is
Anuj.
with you,
So
right?
I'm clicking on stop presenting. Okay. Now you can click on present now.
I can. All right. Am I visible to everybody? Am I visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine, very good. And let me just. All right, so you know, good afternoon again once. And in this seminar, it's not a television show where I will be speaking and you will be listening me. I will also talk, and you can also put your question in the chat box. And whenever I request you to unmute and ask a question, you are welcome to do that. Is that all right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And I want you to ask your objective should be very, very clear that why you are attending this meeting. So I have seen some of your questions. Keep sending your questions in the chat box. All right. And my first question to all of you is, what is the message you have got from COVID-19? You know, we are all under lockdown, sitting at our house in our respective houses, sitting over there. What is one message which has come to you very loud and clear? Anybody would like to, you can write on the chat box. Yes, COVID-19 difficult time. And what is one thing what is that one thing which is making you very restless? Or if it is not restless, why it is not restless? That you need to be very, very careful when you are planning your career. How many of you agree with me? I'll tell you the reason why I am saying this. Yes, Anchit, you're right. Behind every crisis, there is an opportunity. But you need to be very, very careful. Even most of the multinationals, leading private sector, they are suffering a huge loss, and many of the employees are not getting their salary, or their salary has been deducted, or they have been asked to go on leave without pay. Right? Now, at this point of time, the private sector looks highly uncertain. And since Corona is going to stay for some time till the time the vaccine does not come in, the economy is going to hit very hard. So, all kind of, chaos is there. Under this chaotic circumstances, if you're thinking in terms of working somewhere, it becomes very, very dicey. All right. Now, administration at the same time is becoming very, very powerful. And if you look at this career of civil services, you think of becoming IAS, IPS kind of job, these jobs really offering stability. It has always offered stability, but now it's more pronounced. Ye ab zyada clear ho gaya hai. Okay, I hope everyone is comfortable with English language. Otherwise, I will mix it with Hindi also. You can write in the chat box. Okay, fine. So it's a great time to think very, very clearly about your career. Please understand, in this country, as it was earlier also, that IAS was unparalleled job, the best option available. But right now, this is becoming even more clearer, because your options in the multinational companies, in top private companies and corporates, it's very, very, I should say, it has become dicey. I keep on training in these organizations, so I know what is precisely happening over there. So, do you all agree with me that under the current circumstances, IAS has become even more powerful option? How many of you say yes? Okay, very good. Yes. That's amazing. So whenever, earlier also, when the Corona had not hit, whenever I went to the organizations, big organizations like Livers, Pepsi, and everywhere, people came to me because and they told me, Alok sir, पहले नहीं पता था कि IAS is such a powerful job. अगर पता होता तो I would have prepared very well for this examination. So congratulations to each one of you that you are here in this seminar and your intention is very clear. You are very clear about your career कि आपको IAS बनना है. And I'm very happy. You know why? Because I'm addressing future IAS IPS officer. Is that all right? Am I right? You can chat. You can write in the chat box because I see you as a future IAS IPS officer, and I will tell you it is possible. There are a lot of people who will tell you it's very difficult. Hoga, nahi hoga. All those things will happen. And so there's a person called Joyota. I'm not able to pronounce Joyita. Something is there. She had asked how to stay motivated. And it's a very powerful question she has asked. And before I move further, I think I must tell you that in order to stay motivated, the one very important thing is that your target, your goal should be crystal clear. Let's say some of you, if you're thinking कि चलो मैं IAS की तैयारी करता हूँ एंड साथ साथ मैं लीडिंग मैनेजमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट का भी एंट्रेंस एग्जाम लेता हूँ, साथ में कैट भी करके देखता हूँ क्या होता है, देन इट बिकम्स very very confusing. Your mind does not get a clear signal and that leads to lot of confusion. Plus there is also called something called success habit. Success habit का मतलब ये नहीं कि जीवन में आप कभी असफल नहीं होंगे, but not to think in terms of succeeding. Not success leads to happiness, but it's actually the other way around. Happiness leads to success. So you need to be very very happy. Can all of you smile and write in the chat box yes? Oh, very good, very good. Diksha Hazarika, Debashri Barua, Richika Sekash, Shivam Zika, many more names are there. So each one of you smiling, that's very nice. It's very important to smile. और जब भी आपका लाइफ मूड अगर बीच बीच में खराब हो जाए, even when you are away from the seminar, keep smiling. Smiling should always be a cause and not effect, which means it's not any reason which should make you smile. You should smile and then you will start feeling good. Fine. All right. So, before we go ahead, let's understand why do you want to become IAS? And there is a reason why I'm asking you. जैसे ही आप किसी को आप बताओगे किसी स्टूडेंट को कि IAS बनना है, he will say अच्छा पॉलिटिकल साइंस की तैयारी कैसे करनी है, GS का तैयारी कैसे करना है, हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर को कैसे कवर करना है. All right, that's all will be done. Relax. Just relax. Success is yours. But very important thing is to tell your mind. I will keep talking about mind because mind power training is a very important part of my life. Ask yourself, why do you want to become IAS? And can I have a few answers on the chat box? Yes. Why do you want to? Anything. You can just write a word or two also, it will do. Fine. Why do you want to become IAS? Proud my father and mother. Very good, Kumar Shanu. All right, let's see some more answers. To do service to humanity and nation. Great thought. Devashri Barwa, to to burning desire, satisfy my burning desire. Helping people give me purpose. Ultimate aim to serve the society. How wonderful. Brilliant answer. Proud of you guys here. That's why I told you initially, I'm very, very happy. All of you have a great future because your thought process is very very good. That's very very important. Fine. अब देखिए मैं आपको बताता हूँ. I always share this story with lot of pride. So somebody saying it's not only my job, it is my dream. Very nice, excellent. Ek minute, just I think there's something in the screen. Okay. Okay. Yes. Fine. Okay. So there was a student who called me up. She had already become an IAS officer. ये करीब 4 या 5 साल पुरानी बात है. And she called me up and she told me, Alok sir, I am very happy. Can you make a guess why I am happy? I said, obviously you are happy because you have become an IAS officer. आपकी training भी पूरी हो चुकी है. So it's a great news. So why? She said, no sir, वो तो पुरानी बात हो गई. Complete वो training भी हो गया, posting भी हो गया. Can you make another guess? And I said, maybe then you are getting married. She said, no, marriage is not on the card. Make a third guess. And I said, hang on, I can't make third guess. Now you tell me very honestly why you are so happy. And what she told me is very important, and I want you to hear me out very, very carefully. She told me that she has become boss of her father. Would you like to know how? Write in a chat box. Why do you think she has become a boss of her father? Anybody? Okay, wow. Yes, I agree. That is, it's a wow factor. She has become boss of her father because her father was a PCS officer, which means, different kind of state services exam, जैसे Assam Public Service Commission, Uttar Pradesh State Service Commission, Bihar State Public Service Commission. When you qualify these examinations, and if your son or daughter becomes an IAS officer 23-24 years hence, 23 या 24 साल के बाद जब वो IAS बनता है, then he or she will become your boss. That is the difference. जहां पर स्टेट लेवल ऑफिसर, which is also a very good job, जिस पोजीशन पर वो रिटायर होने वाले रहते हैं नॉर्मली, उस लेवल पे normally an IAS officer begins the career. So is this not a very powerful thought process? What a powerful career is this? Write in your chat box, yes. Yes, you need to keep these things in your mind. Nothing beats IAS, and I am telling you, you only need to determine yourself and don't get carried away by people who say, पता नहीं तुम्हारा होगा कि नहीं होगा, कुछ और भी देख लो. कुछ और देखने की जरूरत नहीं. It is not your age. When you will be, in an age where your options will get exhausted, then I will talk to you in a different language. तो फिर मैं बहुत सारे training program करता रहता हूँ. I will invite you in one of those training. But please understand, number one, that this job has absolutely got no parallel in this country. This is the best job. नौकरी करनी है तो इससे better नहीं है. And even if you have other options in life, do prepare for civil services and see what change it will bring. The preparation of this exam itself will make you highly analytical. What, why, where, how, all these questions, this will become your habit. So this is very, very important. Is this inspiring? Yes. You can keep communicating with me. You should have only aim to get success. Yes, certainly, especially in your age group. Absolutely. People tell me कि सिर्फ 700 वैकेंसी है, 10 लाख से ऊपर एग्जाम देते हैं, फिर कैसे होगा? मैं आपको बताता हूं 10 लाख से ऊपर लोग कैसे एग्जाम देते हैं. 10 लाख से ऊपर एग्जाम इसलिए देते हैं कि प्रीलिम्स की फीस के लिए लड़कों को 100 रुपया देना पड़ता है और लड़कियों को का फ्री में होता है. तो चलो, मेरा फ्रेंड फॉर्म भर रहा है तो मैं भी फॉर्म भर लेता हूं. एंड सम ऑफ द बॉयज फिल अप द फॉर्म, क्योंकि उनकी गर्लफ्रेंड भी एग्जाम देने वाली. सो इन द प्रोसेस वो फॉर्म भरते चले जाते हैं. एंड इन सर्टेन लोकेशंस, फ्रॉम द प्लेस यूपी बिहार जहां से मैं आता हूं, वहां पर आपका मार्केट वैल्यू बढ़ जाता है शादी के मार्केट में कि लड़का आईएएस का तैयारी कर रहा है. तो इसमें ही 2-3 साल तो इसी में निकल जाता है, इस गर्व से कहने में कि मैं आईएएस का तैयारी कर रहा हूं. ओके, I don't know whether it happens in Guwahati, Assam or not, but in most of the Hindi belt does this happen. Now, इन्होंने भर दिया फॉर्म, अब आ गया प्रीलिम्स की डेट का एग्जाम. प्रीलिम्स का डेट आ गया, तो उस दिन वो सुबह मेनी ऑफ देम थिंक कि पता नहीं यार आज एग्जाम देने जाऊं या नहीं जाऊं. कुछ लोग इसलिए चले जाते हैं कि गर्लफ्रेंड को सेंटर में ड्रॉप करना, इसलिए भी वो चले जाते हैं. सो कुल मिला जुला करके 5 लाख लोग करीब पहुंचते हैं. Still, I'm giving you an exaggerated figure, उससे भी कम आते हैं. The actual fact of life is that there are only 75,000 serious students. Please don't look at that 10-12 लाख लोग एग्जाम दे रहे हैं. वो 10-12 लाख के ऊपर आप बच जाइए. द एग्जाम आपको जो सीरियस कैंडिडेट्स है दैट इज ओनली अमंग 75,000 हैज द। अब आपको समझ में आ रहा है कंपटीशन उतना डिफिकल्ट नहीं है जितना आपको दिख रहा है। इट्स नॉट दैट डिफिकल्ट एंड यू हैव गॉट 6 अटेम्प्ट्स, पर इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि मैं 5वां अटेम्प्ट में ही क्वालिफाई करूंगा। यू कैन क्वालिफाई इन द वेरी फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट ऑल्सो, अगर आप में डेडिकेशन है, डिटर्मिनेशन है, डिसिप्लिन है, वो काम करने वो करने का वो चाहिए, व्हाट यू कॉल जुनून चाहिए। सो नॉर्मली व्हेन स्टूडेंट्स कम टू मी एंड टेल मी आलोक सर आईएएस बनना है, मैं इंटरेस्टेड हूं, तो मुझे पहले ही पता चल जाता है ये आईएएस नहीं बनेगा। You need that madness कि no matter what I will make it through. Do you all agree with me? Write in the chat box. Yes. So from today, I want you to be absolutely crazy about your goal. कि बनना है तो सिर्फ आईएएस बनना है। Can you all? Yes, very nice, very nice. Every morning when you get up, sitting on the bed, डिटरमिन कि आज आईएएस ही बनना है, और रात में सोने के पहले भी बोलिए, और दिन में जितना बार मौका मिले आप बोलते रहिए। जितनी बार आप किसी चीज को जब आप बार बार बोलेंगे then it becomes a reality. So you need to keep talking it and say it with a lot of emotion, smile के साथ, determination के साथ। दिल्ली में एक जगह है मुखर्जी नगर, आपने सुना होगा, कभी आप दिल्ली आएंगे तो जरूर सुनिएगा। वहां पर चाय पीने वाला जो चाय देता है आपको, ही विल ऑल्सो एडवाइज यू कि सर आईएएस की तैयारी के लिए लक्ष्मीकांत जरूर पढ़ना, पॉलिटिकल साइंस के लिए, और एनसीईआरटी की कौन सी बुक पढ़नी है। सो प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, डोंट गेट कैरिड अवे बाय सच पीपल। यू विल गेट लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु विल गिव यू दिस काइंड ऑफ एडवाइस। Don't worry, don't get carried away. And the people who say it's very very difficult, उनको आप तलाक दे दीजिए। इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। और बहुत लोग बताएंगे किंतु परंतु असंभव, इफ होगा नहीं होगा। ये सारा शब्द मनुष्य ने आविष्कार किया है अपने निगेटिव विचारधारा को स्ट्रेंथन करने के लिए। प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, आई एम नॉट गिविंग यू लेक्चर ऑन पॉजिटिव थॉट प्रोसेस। आई एम टॉकिंग टू यू अबाउट द रियलिटी ऑफ लाइफ। अगर आपको जीवन में सफलता पाना है तो आपको ये करना बहुत जरूरी है। I was in Kolkata couple of years ago and I met there a lady called Arunima Sinha. आप लोगों ने नाम सुना होगा। उनके दोनों पाँव नहीं है and she still climbed Mount Everest. That determination was there. So I asked her, Arunima Sinha, कि आपने अपनी माँ से जब पूछा, when you told your mother that you are going to climb Mount Everest, what did she say? And she replied कि my mother told me कि अभी तो पैर ही टूटा है, दिमाग भी खराब हो गया। But you see, it was her determination. सबसे बड़ा शक्ति है संकल्प शक्ति। You be determined and this is the right kind of age group. अगर ये मौका हाथ से चला गया तो फिर you can do lot of other things. आप ट्रेनर बन सकते हो, टीचर बन सकते हो, बहुत सारा काम कर सकते हो, डिफरेंट कॉर्पोरेट में काम कर सकते हो, पर ये मौका नहीं मिलेगा। The kind of authority, the way to make difference in the lives of the people, this is what you will not get. Right? You agree with this? Write on chat box yes if you agree. Very nice. All of you agree. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. So all of you agree. So, and I was recently, studying about a girl called Jessica. कल्पना कीजिए आपके 2 हाथ नहीं होंगे तो आपको कैसा महसूस होगा? If you don't have 2 hands, how will you feel? शायद आपको लगेगा कि क्या कर सकते हैं, but Jessica was not like, had a different thought process. Jessica is a certified pilot today because वो पैर से फ्लाइट करती है, प्लेन को फ्लाई करती है। यार क्या बात कर रहे हो आईएएस बनने को? अगर मैं बोलता कि विराट कोहली बन जाओ तो भी मानता डिफिकल्ट है, बिकॉज इंडिया में एक ही विराट कोहली है, दे कैन बी वन क्रिकेट कैप्टन। अगर मैं ये भी बोलता कि यार सुपरस्टार बन जाओ सलमान खान की तरह, आई वुड हैव अग्रीड कि थोड़ा चैलेंजिंग है, बहुत सारे फैक्टर उसमें काउंट करता है, योर लुक, योर आपका बहुत सारी चीजें, डायलॉग डिलीवरी, पॉपुलैरिटी। यहाँ पर तो यार 750 वैकेंसी है और हिंदुस्तान में ऐसा कंपटीशन नहीं है जहां पर with this kind, where you prepare for the exam extremely well and you don't qualify. India में ऐसा कोई एग्जाम नहीं है. I don't know what is happening in US, what is happening in UK, but in India this is not there. So there is a big fight between perception and reality. So हमारा परसेप्शन कई चीजों के बारे में हमारा बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग बन जाता है कि इट्स वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट, एंड द मोर वी से दैट इट इज डिफिकल्ट, इट बिकम्स डिफिकल्ट. और अगर आप किसी भी काम करने के पहले आप ये बोलोगे ये बिल्कुल आसान है, मेरे लिए पॉसिबल है, आई हैव गॉट 2 hands, 2 legs, 2 eyes, यू विल बी एबल टू अकॉम्प्लिश इट. जज्बा होना चाहिए, जुनून होना चाहिए करने के लिए, और सीखने का अर्ज होना चाहिए. आपको मैं एक चीज और बता दूं, देयर आर मेनी स्टूडेंट्स जिनको बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस दिमाग में होते हैं, बहुत सारे डाउट होते हैं, बट दे डोंट आस्क. देयर इज नथिंग स्टॉपिंग यू. प्लीज आस्क. टेक हेल्प ऑफ अदर्स. मोर यू विल आस्क, मोर यू विल बी सक्सेसफुल. पूछने से मत घबराइए, पूछिए. आस्क क्वेश्चंस. आस्किंग क्वेश्चन. आपको अभी तक स्कूल कॉलेज में बताया गया है कि आंसर बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए. आई एम डिसरप्टिंग योर थॉट प्रोसेस टुडे. आंसर अच्छा होना चाहिए, पर उसके पहले क्वेश्चन पूछना आना चाहिए. सो आस्क लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम योर टीचर्स. कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट में जब ज्वाइन कीजिए, वहां के टीचर से पूछिए, कॉलेज के टीचर से पूछिए. डोंट लेट योर टीचर्स रेस्ट. कोई टीचर आपको नहीं जवाब देता, आप मेरे पास आइए. जीवन में सफलता पाने के लिए क्वेश्चन पूछ. राइट इन द चैट बॉक्स. यस, we will talk about syllabus, we will talk about lot of things abhi right now, but these are essential skills. अगर ये क्वालिटी नहीं तो मुश्किल है. Yes, very nice, all of you are agreeing. Can everybody develop high emotional intelligence? Yes, everybody. So पहले आपको बहुत ज्यादा इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस की भी जरूरत नहीं है. सबसे पहला चीज है कि गोल क्लियर होना चाहिए. स्टे ऑलवेज मोटिवेटेड, व्हिच आई हैव टोल्ड यू हाउ टू फील मोटिवेटेड. नहीं समझ में आएगा तो यू कैन स्पीक टू मी वन ऑन वन लेटर ऑन. यू डू दैट, इट इज पॉसिबल. एंड सो मैं बार बार आपको ये नाउ आई वांट यू टू टेल सर्टेन स्टोरीज व्हिच यू विल टेल यू द पावर ऑफ डिटर्मिनेशन. This is a story of a student about 5 years ago, and that boy is well known to me. He had come from Bihar. His mother was a patient of cancer, and father had lost his money in business. So this boy came and asked me that should he take civil services exam or compromise his career and go for us clerical jobs, या कहीं पर जो भी नौकरी मिल जाए वो कर लें. Am I audible? You can write yes in the chat box if I am audible. I hope. Yeah, okay, fine. So it was a difficult question for me, क्योंकि जिसकी आर्थिक स्थिति घर की बहुत खराब हो, मैं उसको क्या जवाब दूं. लेकिन मैंने कुछ सोचा और मैंने उसको सोचने के बाद उसको जवाब दिया. His name is राजेश. कि राजेश एक काम करो, दिन रात पढ़ो, पढ़ते पढ़ते मर जाओ, वो देखा जाएगा. धिक्कार है उस जीवन में जबकि तुम छोटा मोटा नौकरी करोगे, एक असफल जीवन बिताओगे, एंड यू विल बी ऑलवेज स्ट्रगलिंग. दैट बॉय वर्क डे इन डे आउट, एंड व्हेन आई सेड पढ़ते पढ़ते मर जाओ, आई डिड नॉट मीन फिजिकल डेथ. व्हाट आई मेंट वाज डू और डाई एटीट्यूड. एंड यू सी, दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट to have that do and die attitude. He worked day in, day out, day in, day out, day in, day out. And in the first attempt, he did not clear the exam. He came back to me and told me, कि सर अब क्या करें? हमने कुछ नहीं करना है. Keep studying. Don't get defeated. Okay. Now, hello. Am I there? You all right. I hope my voice is still audible. All right, fine. Now that boy kept on studying day in, day out, day in, day out, and finally he qualified and became an IPS officer, and today he is posted in Hyderabad. That boy has worked under tremendous adverse circumstances, but what he took him from here to here is his determination. ये सोच के रखना कि मैं कैसे नहीं बनूंगा। जब भी आपके पास नेगेटिव थॉट ख्याल में आए तो आप ये बोलिए कि अपने आप से कि ये कैसे नहीं होगा। I will share with you another student. I think in 2014 में he had 69th or 70th position. This boy was working in Infosys, Bangalore में. It's a real, I'm giving you all real story. So he resigned from Infosys without consulting his father. जब उसके पिताजी को पता चला तो वो बहुत नाराज हुए, तो दिल्ली में वो मुझसे मिलने आए. He came with his son. So I asked the son, why you did not qualify? Why did you resign without telling your father? बोला सर, Infosys के campus पे there are 14,000 students, 14,000 people working over there. वहां पर identity कैसे आएगी? मेरा identity का क्या होगा? So I really want to become an IAS officer so that I have an identity और मैं कुछ कर पाऊं, बड़ा कर पाऊं. मैंने कहा ठीक है, once you have come back. And so he took a room where 4 of his friends together started studying in the same room. They slept together, they ate together, they saw movies together. लेकिन जब रिजल्ट आउट हुआ 1 साल के बाद, तो this boy who had resigned from Infosys, he qualified. He became IAS officer in the first attempt. Rest of his friends did not qualify. मैंने उसको बुलाया अगले दिन कि यार तुम आओ और बताओ how come you qualified and the rest of your friends did not qualify. बोला सर इसके लिए तो आपको हमारे घर आना पड़ेगा, मेरे कमरे में आना पड़ेगा. मैंने कहा देखो तुम्हारे कमरे में बाद में आऊंगा, but tell me the reason. बोला when you will come my room, you will find that there are 30-40 registers in which I have done writing practice. Not only I have done the writing practice, मैंने उसको अपने टीचर से चेक करवाया. Whereas my friends ने वो मुश्किल से एक रजिस्टर में भी नहीं भरा होगा. They just wrote the point over there and they thought that in the examination hall they would be able to write wonderful answers. Now what happened? Examination, this is one examination जहां आपको tremendous amount of writing practice की जरूरत है. Obviously they could not write in the mains the kind of answer they were supposed to write and find, so they did not make it. So one of the message I'm trying to give you through this story is कि apart from determination, you need to understand what is the pattern of examination. Writing practice बहुत जरूरी है और syllabus का समझना भी बहुत जरूरी है, which my colleague Anuj will explain you shortly. Because all the IAS toppers अपने syllabus को अपने कमरा में चिपका के रखते हैं. If you don't know the syllabus, it becomes very, very difficult to clear this examination. तो आपका syllabus बहुत clear होना चाहिए. Otherwise, when you will read Hindu, you will not be able to realize कि क्या पढ़ना है और क्या छोड़ना है. जब आप कोई book भी पढ़ेंगे तो आपको नहीं मालूम है what is to be covered and what is not to be covered. So tremendous amount of writing practice chahiye. And one thing I will tell you, it's in another my story, and this is very, very vital, that please think very big. Most of the students I come across, वो सोचते हैं कि देखो यार 750 वैकेंसी है, पहले 900 होता था, 700 750 करीब होता है, किसी तरीके से मेरा सिविल सर्विसेज में हो जाए. Now this thought process कि किसी भी तरीके से सिविल सर्विसेज में हो जाए, that is a huge problem area. I will tell you, prove it by a story. There was a guy who had passed out from IIT Mumbai. 4 साल की engineering के बाद he started taking exam and every exam में he qualified and in every exam he had the same position, 750 to 800. 750 to 800 position he got in every exam. And when it came to his 4 attempt देने के बाद, that student got very, very depressed. So when his turn came to give the 5th attempt, so he told me कि आलोक सर इस बार मैं सोच रहा हूँ एग्जाम नहीं दूंगा मैं. So I asked him, why do you say so? He says कि पोजीशन तो पता है ना, वही 750 आता है या 800 आता है. Richa is also saying yes, Chiranjeev yes, sure. So आज के बाद कोई भी काम जिम्मेदारी और या सेंस ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी के साथ मत कीजिएगा, बिकॉज जब सेंस ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी के साथ आप करेंगे तो वो एक बोझ हो जाएगा. बट व्हेन यू एंजॉय, तो आपको घड़ी में टाइम देखने का जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगा. यू नो देयर आर टू काइंड्स ऑफ स्टूडेंट, जो कि एक एंजॉय करता है, एक घड़ी देखता है, टाइम हो गया, हर 10 मिनट के बाद 2 घंटे सोचा था पढ़ने के लिए, क्या करें. सो नो, डोंट डू दैट. एंजॉय, मजा आना चाहिए. ठीक है, जितना मजा आएगा उतना ज्यादा आपको सफलता मिलेगी. दिस इज माई गारंटी टू यू. अगर आप आज से एंजॉय करने लगे पढ़ाई में, तो देयर इज नो पावर ऑन द अर्थ विच विल स्टॉप यू. आई कैन गिव यू दिस इन राइटिंग. आई एम सो मच कन्विंस्ड अबाउट दिस. ओके, I need some more answer. All right. If you do this, life is easy. कभी भी कुछ भी, कोई भी काम, मजा आना चाहिए. And when you enjoy, you will excel. When you enjoy, you will be successful. Sense of responsibility will take you from X to Y. That's it. Anuj, are you ready? Okay, let's go further. अब आपको ये समझना चाहिए कि यू आर समटाइम्स सो मच एंजॉयमेंट. Okay, I'm not able to because it pops up for a minute, but there was a question. Can you write your question again? Somebody had written that somebody enjoy for a minute something, so that I can read that question again. Okay, so let's going ahead. You know, this exam has got many times students think okay, unka sometimes so much enjoyment physically depress me. It will not happen with you, Richard. It will not happen with you. Mind and body, they are connected with each other. So if you enjoy the process, you will enjoy it in every sense of the term. It will not happen. It won't tire you. It's my guarantee. Try it from today. And still, if you feel tired, you know, you will get my number. You will get my phone number from Anuj, and you can always call me and I will talk to you one-on-one. Okay? Okay? So this is very, very...
Can you talk about the online course for 2 minutes? Then I will take over for the syllabus.
Yeah, we'll do that. Okay. So this is very, very important what I have discussed with you. And you know, this exam has got the pattern: prelims hoga, mains hoga, and finally, if you qualify mains, though you are called for interview. And right now, online has become the buzzword because of a coronavirus, this small virus. We have to maintain distance, physical distance, not emotional distance. तो उसमें क्या है, तो we have to do conduct classes online. और ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का अपना बहुत बड़ा बेनिफिट है. आप घर के कंफर्ट में बैठ करके आप पढ़ाई कर सकते हैं. थोड़ा सा आपको अपने आप को डिसिप्लिन रखना पड़ेगा, but then you can understand very well on your screen. You can follow lecture and you have a full liberty to ask the question, and you will be absolutely safe because corona is a threat to mankind. And the comfort of the house, आपके आने जाने में भी जो टाइम लगता था कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट का, that time will be not be there. So आप देखिए एडवांटेजेस क्या है, आपके पास टाइम बचता है, एंड द कंफर्ट ऑफ द हाउस, आप स्क्रीन पर आप सब कुछ देख सकते हैं. एंड ऑल काइंड एवरी गाइडेंस जो आपको टिपिकली जा करके जिस इंस्टीट्यूट्स में मिलता है, वो सारा कुछ हम ऑनलाइन परहेज कर रहे हैं. IQ Civil IAS Academy is very proactive in this area of, and
let me just add on to what Alok sir has just spoken. Okay, basically IQ Civil IAS Academy is coming up with online courses starting June 15th. It will be a full 1-year online course, and since we understand the situation right now, which is not very much fortunate and very much favorable for all of us to go offline and gather in a certain place and conduct classes. That's why we have come up with this initiative that we start the online classes from June onwards. Now, online classes organized by IQ Civil IAS Academy are not very similar to what you see in other online platforms. For example, there are multiple online platforms going on in the country right now. I will not name them. But what we are trying to do here is we are trying to map the offline classes onto online classes. rather than coming up with some topics and making them, making them understandable to the students. What we are doing here is we are coming up with the full course. Full course meaning will deal with the all the three stages of the examination: preliminary stage, main stage, and the interview stage. So basically, what we are trying to do here is our expert faculties who have been teaching continuously on the classroom platform will be coming online and will be giving you all the possible guidance which is updated as well as which is current and which is very relevant to the IAS examination. Now, not only the regular classes will be one of the features of our online course, but also what we'll be providing is keeping in mind the latest trend of the examination, which is focusing more on the current affairs side, which is focusing more on the dynamic side, as some people call it. We'll be doing the daily current affairs articles with you. We'll be doing the expected questions from the current affairs. We'll also be doing the daily Super 10 series with you. Now, let me explain what is the Super 10. Super 10 is a series of questionnaire which will be given to you on a daily basis, which will contain MCQs from the current affairs. Now, the very next day after we provide you the Super 10 questions, we'll be providing you with the detailed solution. Now, the idea behind giving the detailed solution is that we want our students to not only be ready for the question for the preliminary stage, but also to be ready with the question for the main stage and the interview stage as well. Now, along with all that stuff, regular test series will be a key feature. Regular motivational sessions from very eminent speakers like Alok sir, you've just heard, and also will be calling upon many IAS and IPS officers on the online platform who will be sharing strategies with you which will make you crack this examination. Now, along with that, what we are introducing this year is a very important key feature that will have the soft skills session, wherein psychologists from all over India will be focusing on soft skills like how to deal with failure, how to deal with stress, how to keep yourself motivated in such crucial situations like, for example, the COVID-19 situation. Because, and most importantly, I think for this IAS examination, how to deal with failure is very, very important. So certainly we'll delve upon certain topics, which will help you come over many stressful situations while you are writing the IAS examination. Now, this online platform, certainly I understand that you will be at home and you'll be thinking that, where is my motivation? I'm sitting at home. And what should I do? I mean, I'm not having my colleagues alongside me. I'm not getting the motivation. Now, another thing which we are introducing here is, if, as Alok sir said, online will be the key for the next 1 year. But if supposedly the situation improves, probably by October, you have an option to switch over to offline classes as well, provided the situation improves. Otherwise, we should be continuing with the 1 year online course. So basically, mapping the offline course to online course is our key strategy. It is not about just teaching some topics, but it is about creating that environment wherein the student feels like the student is in the classroom. And the faculties, for sure, be assured that our faculties will be the same faculties which are teaching in the offline platform, and they'll be giving you all the necessary expertise which you require. Maybe I would invite Alok again to add something to this.
Okay, there is something very, very important which I want you to hear me out very carefully. Most of the coaching institutes, I work in Delhi and many other cities of the country. People say that we have got very experienced faculty. Now, don't get carried away by this word experienced faculty, because the pattern of examination got changed in 2013. तो अगर आपने एग्जाम दिया है 2005 में, तो you are not that suitable to coach students in 2020, 21, 22, 23. बिकॉज जब पैटर्न चेंज हुआ है उसके बाद के जो जिन लोगों ने आईएएस का एग्जाम दिया है और जिन्होंने जो इंटरव्यू के लेवल तक गए हैं, उनका प्रेजेंस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है in the coaching institute. So I'm very happy that Anuj, who's the director of IQ Civil IAS Academy, he has understood this point, and 90% of the teachers are post 2013 में जिन्होंने एग्जाम लिया है. It does not mean that a very senior people are not good. They are very good. Please don't misunderstand me. But intricacies of exam, जो पैटर्न चेंज हुआ है, जो लेटेस्ट पैटर्न से अवेयरनेस है, दैट इज पॉसिबल, दैट इज मोर familiarizing with this pattern and the structure of the exam is more with the people who have taken exam 2013 के बाद. Am I loud and clear? Right? Yes, in the chat box if you okay with me. Anuj, would you like to discuss syllabus?
Yes. Just before we go on to the syllabus, now just wanted to tell them about the schedule for the next 3 days. Now, people, I want you guys to understand that we are not here only for the seminar. We are here to provide you the full package. Now, what that full package means that, Alok sir has provided us with very motivating words, and I would like to add that for the next 3 days, at the same time, 12 noon to 1 p.m., we'll be doing the demo classes for 3 subjects. We have chosen Indian polity, we have chosen geography, and we have chosen economics. The next 3 days, 12 noon to 1 p.m. Now, what it does is it helps you to understand the kind of quality we are providing here. You can ask the questions to our faculty. They will be picking up very latest and updated topics. And demo class is one platform where you can understand the kind of quality the institute is going to provide. And maybe when I discuss the syllabus, post that I will discuss about the fee structure and all. But again, over to you, Alok.
Yes. So there are certain things I must tell you. कभी-कभी mental block हो जाता है कि I am not from the best college या मेरा educational qualification बहुत अच्छा नहीं रहा है. Please understand, IAS का जो एग्जाम है that is a great leveler. अगर एक तरफ लोग IIT से आते हैं, सेंट स्टीफन से आते हैं, तो दूसरे तरफ गोरखपुर, मुजफ्फरपुर या छोटे छोटे लोकेशन से भी लोग आते हैं. दिस एग्जाम इज अ ग्रेट लेवलर. सो इट गिव्स, नो मैटर व्हाट योर पास्ट इज, इट प्रोवाइड्स यू अ एब्सोल्युटली क्लीन स्लेट टू स्टार्ट ऑल ओवर. एंड आई हैव मेनी स्टूडेंट्स. मैं प्रोबेबली उतना टाइम नहीं है शायद आज. हाउ मच टाइम डू वी हैव, अनुज?
5 minutes. We have 15-20 minutes, no problem.
Okay. I have met, I was in Gujarat about 2 years ago. I was in Ahmedabad and I was speaking to one of the IAS toppers along with whom I had done the seminar. तो मैंने सेमिनार के बाद उनसे जस्ट पूछा कि अगर मिस्टर नायर, अगर आप IAS नहीं बनते तो आप क्या बनते? So he hear me out very carefully. It's a very powerful and very interesting story. He told me, sir, अगर मैं IAS नहीं बनता तो मैं रोड पे रहता. मैंने कहा क्यों? बोला, सर मैंने पौंडीचेरी से इंजीनियरिंग किया है, सेकेंड ईयर में फेल कर गया, थर्ड ईयर में 51% आ गया. सो द माय प्रिंसिपल टोल्ड मी कि एवरीबडी विल गेट प्लेस्ड एक्सेप्ट विद नायर. और नायर साहब उसी वक्त अपने लैपटॉप पर गए और उन्होंने चेक किया कौन सा ऐसा एग्जाम है जिसमें एजुकेशनल क्वालिफिकेशन, मिनिमम एजुकेशनल क्वालिफिकेशन की जरूरत पड़ती है. एंड ही फाउंड दैट द लैपटॉप पॉप्ड अप द आंसर, गूगल पॉप्ड अप द आंसर, दैट यूपीएससी, बिकॉज यहां पर सिर्फ बेसिक एजुकेशनल क्वालिफिकेशन की जरूरत है. ये रिकॉग्नाइज्ड यूनिवर्सिटी से आपको पास होने की जरूरत है. And you will be surprised to know that the guy who had failed in engineering, he made it in the very first attempt. You see, 10th में आपने एग्जाम दिया है, 12th भी आपने पास किया होगा. All the exam, हर एग्जाम का एक सिलेबस होता है. This exam also has a syllabus, and all you have to do is to understand the syllabus and fulfill the demand of the exam. Complicated मत बनाओ, बहुत डिफिकल्ट है. प्रीलिम्स में गेस करना पड़ता है. अरे कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर रहेगा तो गेस करने में भी आसानी होगा, और थोड़ा सा कंपटीशन होना चाहिए. सो डोंट गेट कैरिड अवे कि मेरा पास, आपका एजुकेशनल क्वालिफिकेशन बहुत अच्छा है, ग्रेट, फाइन, इट्स वेरी नाइस. नहीं है, यूपीएससी गिव्स यू अ फ्रेश अपॉर्चुनिटी. जीवन के हर स्टेज में आपको अपने आप को री इन्वेंट करने का जरूरत है, नए तरीके से तैयार करने का जरूरत है. आप मेडिसिन खरीदते हो तो क्या देखते हो? राइट इन द चैट बॉक्स. व्हेन यू बाय मेडिसिन, व्हाट डू यू चेक? Very good. Expiry date. Almost all of you writing. So like that, we human beings also have the expiry date. जिस तरीके से मैंने 10th पास किया है उसी तरीके से मैं 12th नहीं पास कर सकता हूं, और जिस तरीके से मैंने 12th पास किया है उसको उसी तरीके से मैं ग्रेजुएशन नहीं पास कर सकता हूं, और जिस तरीके से मैंने ग्रेजुएशन पास किया है उसी तरीके से मैं सिविल सर्विसेज में क्वालिफाई नहीं कर सकता हूं. So all you need is to adapt yourself to the requirement of exam. आप अपने आप को reinvent कीजिए. Take the guidance of the teacher. पूछो, क्वेश्चन पूछो. What is there stopping you? कहीं पर कोई डाउट होता है, you can also connect with me कि मुझे यहाँ पर प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. How can I work on this kind of weakness? I will be very happy to assist you. Not only I, everybody in IQ Civil IAS Academy will be able to help you. There is no problem. One more point I would like to share with you, and this has but come from a recent research. Normally हम क्या करते हैं, एक चैप्टर पढ़ने के बाद क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. Now the recent research shows first you go through the questions. या किसी टॉपिक को देख लीजिए आप और then अपने आप से क्वेश्चन कीजिए. Let's say for example फंडामेंटल राइट्स आप पढ़ रहे हैं या salient features of constitution. पहले आपके दिमाग में जो क्वेश्चन आता है वो लिख लीजिए, या जो बुक के पहले जो चैप्टर के बाद जो क्वेश्चन लिखा हुआ है उसको पढ़िए. क्या होता है, जब आप क्वेश्चन पढ़ने के बाद जब आप पढ़ना शुरू करते हैं, देन यू डिस्कवर, आपके दिमाग में अचानक आता है, अच्छा सेकंड क्वेश्चन का आंसर यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है, थर्ड क्वेश्चन का आंसर यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है, मैंने अपने आप से ये सवाल किया था और इस सवाल का जवाब यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है. अगर आप बिना क्वेश्चन पूछे हुए, विदाउट सीइंग द क्वेश्चन पढ़ते हैं, तब भी आप पढ़ाई कर सकते हैं, बट इट बिकम्स मोर मैकेनिकल. And when you read question and or ask question from yourself and then you study, then you discover and you will enjoy more. If you agree with me, write in the chat box yes. Very good. Super. That's amazing. Okay. So what I have talked today, going to be crystal clear. इस अनिश्चितता में मत फंसिए, होगा नहीं होगा, होगा. Let's go. Let's keep end in mind. We will see what will happen. Then always stay happy, very very cheerful. Very important to determine every day, morning, night, और बीच में भी आप 15 बार 20 बार अपने आप को अपने लक्ष्य के लिए आप रिमाइंड कीजिए. राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस इज द की. खूब लिखिए, खूब पढ़िए, and enjoy the process, love the process, out of sense of responsibility. मत पढ़िए क्योंकि पढ़ना है इसलिए पढ़ रहे हो. My parents are very strict with me इसलिए पढ़ना है, मेरा फ्रेंड पढ़ रहा है इसलिए पढ़ना है. Enjoy. आज से जो भी काम कीजिए, love the process. That's more important. Sense of responsibility आपको आगे तक लेकर के नहीं जाएगा. And I will briefly tell you about the talk about the exam pattern. अगर आप प्रीलिम्स एग्जाम को देखिए तो मैं आपको बड़े सिंपल और तरीके से बता रहा हूं. ये ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन होता है. आप लोगों ने देखा है कौन बनेगा करोड़पति? सो कौन बनेगा करोड़पति में होता है फास्टेस्ट फिंगर फर्स्ट. दैट इज योर प्रीलिम्स. और अगर आप एनसीईआरटी बुक्स अच्छे से पढ़ लिया है आपने, और हिंदू भी आप कंसिस्टेंटली पढ़ रहे हैं, न्यूज़पेपर, देयर इज नो पावर ऑन द अर्थ व्हिच विल स्टॉप यू. आई एम टेलिंग यू. और वंस यू क्वालिफाई इन प्रीलिम्स, तो मेंस में आपको पता है कितने मार्क्स आने चाहिए? कॉलेज में तो आजकल 90% से किसी का नहीं आता है. दिल्ली में तो 99% में भी बहुत जगह एडमिशन नहीं होता है. बट इन दिस एग्जाम, इवन इफ यू गेट प्रीलिम्स में 55% इफ यू गेट, यू आर थ्रू. मेंस में उससे भी कम, काफी कम में भी आपका हो जाएगा. ऑल यू नीड इज टू अंडरस्टैंड द सिलेबस, adapt yourself to this exam, love the process, and success is all yours. Anuj, you want to add something here?
Definitely. So basically, like Alok said, it is all fun, And another important thing I would like to tell about the syllabus is that it is not at all a research-based syllabus. It is completely a school-level syllabus, just described in detail. Now, the only thing required here is, you have to study your subjects very thoroughly. Now, for that, we'll come out with a detailed discussion on syllabus tomorrow at the same time. We'll have the demo class on Indian Constitution. And more than that, Alok sir will again be speaking for 15 minutes before we get into the syllabus tomorrow. So yeah. I would request all of you to again join us tomorrow, because tomorrow's session will be Multi-Prone will be delving on to the key strategies by Alok sir for first 15-20 minutes. Then there will be a detailed syllabus discussion. And our eminent faculty named Nitin Kumar will be taking a demo class on Indian
What is
politics.
the time?
Alok, again, over to you.
What
Time
is
is
it?
again the same time. It will be 12 noon to 1 p.m. At the same time, it might get extended to 1:30.
Okay.
But these sessions will go on for the next 3 days. We'll have the demo classes for different subjects. Alok sir will again join at 12 noon tomorrow, and I will and our faculty, Mr. Nitin Kumar, who is very well known throughout India for political science, will be joining you with the demo class.
Okay.
Alok,
Before you,
again over to you.
yeah.
You want
So-
to end today's seminar?
Yeah, we will end. I just want to say two things. I read it in the morning, very nice lines, and I would like to read it. हादसों से डरोगे तो खुद हादसा बन जाओगे. जिसको तुम देखते हो आईने में रोज, कैसे उसका सामना कर पाओगे. I read it again. हादसों से डरोगे तो खुद हादसा बन जाओगे. जिसको देखते हो तुम आईने में रोज, कैसे उसका सामना कर पाओगे. So डरो मत किसी भी हादसा से. Don't get scared. And I will quote in the end my favorite 4 lines of Robert Frost, which goes like this: the woods are lovely, dark and deep, and I have promises to keep. Miles to go before I sleep. Miles to go before I sleep. Thank you very much. I'm very confident all of you will sail through civil services exam, and I will, in a couple of years, after 1 year, 2 years, I will meet you as an IAS officer, and I would love to do seminar with you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.